August the 4th, 2017. It's about Friday, 5:41. Look at here. You got 5 or 6 of them, 3x3 pit bulls. When is this going to end? I just ran the big black one out of my yard. When is this going to end? Is this the dog pound now over here? It's dangerous out here, y'all. I'm hoping and praying that don't nobody get bit, especially my children and my 89-year-old daddy or me. This was in the white neighborhood. Like I said, I don't care who don't like it. If this was in the white neighborhood, this wouldn't be like this here.